Hello guys, my name is Amir Hassan and this video is made for IELTS preparation. I am here with you two words, hard and unable. It looks very similar but there is a lot of differences between these two words. The hard refers to something that requires a lot of efforts or is difficult to accomplish. For example, it is hard to learn a new language and it is hard to visualize any object. It is very hard to finish this game. The hard is referring to the situation where something requires a lot of effort. While we compare with the word unable, it refers to the inability to do something or the lack of ability to accomplish a task. For example, I was unable to attend the meeting due to the prior commitment. It is unable to, there is the word, it is unable to visualize. It is unable to identify any object on this earth. Means it is referring the something that lack of ability to accomplish the task. It is not going to finish it. This the word means it is not going to finish it. If you find the word in Hindi, it is called असमर्थ. असमर्थ जिसे कंप्लीट नहीं किया जा सकता. So if you find these two words, be careful while you are in IELTS examinations. It confuses a lot and where you easily lose the marks. So if you find this video useful, please share with the others and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.